Hi, everyone. This is hopefully an interesting test with the AirPods Pro 2, the newer version with the USB-C cable. So I'm also pairing this with the GoPro Hero 12, which I just bought recently, and I just want to see what the distance is with regards to, this wireless connection. Also, I haven't really done much with these new AirPods Pro USB-C because I just bought them. So we will see how the quality is and also the distance. And I don't really know how far the camera is right now, but and in any case, we will find out. And in fact, I'm actually going to walk backwards and make this even harder for the GoPro, and we'll see what happens. By the way, King's Landing historical settlement in near Fredericton in New Brunswick in Canada. Our my camera operator, my daughter Aaron, has reached the end of the road and can't go any further. And actually, I can't either. So let us know in the comment section below what you thought of the audio.